You know, about Instagram today, after a very long while, Nafu post concerning Nnamdi Kano and the Nigerian government. And it actually gets me thinking, in as much as how everything is playing is not coming out right, but if Nnamdi Kano have a good advisor, all these things happening today wouldn't have been happening. I'm not playing a blaming game, but from my wisdom as a professor in political matters for more than 20 years, I understand a lot of things more. Everything Nandikane is trying to do today, Ojukwu also did it, but he reached a point he have to re-strategize. When Nnamdi Kanu was at the peak of his game, visibility, people were honoring him like a god, he would have just re-strategized his game. He would have just re-strategized his approach. Let me tell you, it's very hard for you as individual to fight Nigerian government and win. The best thing I was expecting him to do that time is to re-strategize his game. Instead of him to keep attacking Nigerian government, he would have used the opportunity of that influence he gained that time to start developing an Igbo on his own capacity. The same way Ojukwu did that year. That was the approach he supposed to use. But he just keep on talking without action. If you have re-strategized and start calling back those Igbo billionaires to start investing on those areas he felt that is lacking in an Igbo, it would have even been more better for him. But he reached a stage because he doesn't have people that give him a proper advice. He started deviating to keep now attacking Nigerian government and digging deep into things he wouldn't have. He would have utilized the area influence. If he have used it very well that time, I believe all these things now wouldn't have been happening. But at the end of the day, I know he will still come out. By this time next year, he will still be a free man though. That one sure.